When people buy a new car, safety is usually one of the biggest reasons behind that decision. Families trust that modern vehicles sold in Australia and New Zealand meet a basic level of protection, especially when children are involved. That is why the latest independent safety testing results for the Suzuki Fronx have raised serious concerns and sparked an urgent conversation about occupant protection. Independent testing carried out by ANCAP showed that the Suzuki Fronx only just managed to meet the minimum requirements for a 1-star safety rating. This result reflects poor performance in several critical crash tests and highlights weaknesses in the vehicle's structure and restraint systems. For a vehicle that has already reached customers, these findings are difficult to ignore. The most troubling outcome came from the full-width frontal crash test. During this test, extremely high chest loads were recorded for a rear-seat adult passenger. These forces exceeded safety thresholds and automatically limited the vehicle's score under assessment rules. Even before any additional failures were considered, the level of protection in this scenario was already rated as unacceptable. Child safety performance was equally concerning. Crash test dummies representing a 10-year-old and a 6-year-old both recorded dangerous readings. High head acceleration and excessive neck tension resulted in key body regions being capped at 0 points. In real-world terms, this means a serious risk of injury for children seated in the back during a frontal collision. Adding to the severity of the situation was a rare and serious component failure. During the same full-width frontal test, the rear passenger seatbelt retractor failed. This caused the seatbelt to release uncontrollably, leaving the rear dummy unrestrained. As a result, the dummy was thrown forward and struck the back of the front seat. While this seatbelt failure alone is alarming, it is important to understand that the 1-star rating was not caused by this issue alone. The vehicle had already scored 0 points in the test due to excessive chest loads before the belt failure occurred. The overall rating reflects fundamental weaknesses in how the vehicle manages crash forces and protects occupants. Approximately 1,300 Suzuki Fronx vehicles have already been sold in Australia, with another 1,000 delivered in New Zealand. With that many cars on the road, the findings are not theoretical. They affect real families, real commutes, and real lives.